Hello team. In this session we will learn to create a work order for the subcontractors. To do that on the work order page, we first need to select the subcontractor name under the Contractor tab. Then, under the Project tab, we need to select the name of the project for which the work order is to be created. Next, under the header fields, we need to click on the chain icon to get the list of service requisitions created for the selected project. Then select the applicable service requisition document from the list and click on Append. On appending, the work area where the service activity is to be executed will be updated under the Location tab. Also, the service line item details will get updated under the Details table. Then input the contracted rate for the service item, as agreed with subcontractor. And accordingly the amount for the work order will get calculated. The applicable taxes will get applied to the line depending on the SAC code for the service item. In the charge details, the user can view and verify the total value of the work order and taxes applicable. If there are any progressive details applicable, like advance and retention, as per the subcontract agreement, the same needs to be updated here. Next, under the General tab, the commencement date, completion date and taking over date of the activity can be updated as required. Once all the required details are updated on the work order page, we need to click on Save and Exit button to save the work order in the ERP system. Thank you for watching this video.